Ubaba Mlangeni wabayisosha lokuqala loMkhonto Wesizwe kanti uTokyo Sexwale uthi waqala ukuhlangana noMlangeni bese ejele eRobben Island. Uthi wabe iqonda indoda kwazise nangesikhathi ubaba Nelson Mandela eseqala kubizelwa esithe ubuholi bobabndlulo nguye uMlangeni wayefuna ukwazi ukusuka nokuhlala kwakho konke ababebhunga ngakho.
That happened when Madiba started being approached by apartheid leaders because they wanted to talk with Madiba, trying to get him to be released out of jail by selling himself out or selling all of us. Not that Madiba was going to do anything strange, but he's the one who was questioning more. Madiba, what are you talking with these people? What are they saying? So he wanted the details. So when PW Botha, for the first time, it was Mlangeni who wanted to know the details. He was very, very particular, trying to find out precisely what it is that Madiba was talking to these people about.
Uthi bebukhali kwezombusazwe ekhathalele imfundo eqikelela ukuthobela umthetho ngaphezulu kaWalter Sisulu uqobo obaziwa ngokuqikelela ubuqotho.
Politically, is a sharp-minded person, very studious, not surprised that he did all the type of things that he did on Robben Island, studying and so on, and demanded all the time that we should study, always register, find money, and he would help to find comrades money outside so that you register for your studies. So he was particularly, he's a disciplinarian, more than Madiba and them. Just like Walter Sisulu was, but Walter would be also understanding. But Mlangeni was a soldier, like Mhlaba, very tough people, very hard people, and he suffered no fools.
Ubaba uAndrew Mlangeni odlule emhlabeni eneminyaka engama-95 kanti ubesesele yedwa kwabagwetshwa uDilikajele ecaleni laseRivonia.